Guys, welcome back again to my channel. The name is Jeanie. So I actually got my iPhone 11 Pro Max on Friday. Today is Monday and I wanted to customize my screen. I know most of you have heard about the iOS 14 update. You probably have seen so many tutorials, but I want to share with you how I customize my screen. It's very simple. I watched some tutorials where people were actually complaining that it was so hard and it was time consuming. So I promised to make this as simple and as fast as possible. I didn't do the most. I still kept everything kind of the same but more aesthetic and more beautiful. So the new update has some really cool features that I really love. The first thing you want to do is go into your home screen and actually get rid of some apps that you know that you don't use. Guys, there are so many apps on your phone that you know that you don't use, but then you don't want to delete because you feel like you might need that particular app. As I was doing this, I discovered another feature. All you have to do is long press the screen, then you can go ahead and edit your home screen. You see those two dots? You hit it and you have all the other apps that you really don't need. I can either check or uncheck. When I check it, it will show on the home screen. So if I uncheck it, it will not show. Once I swipe to the left, you see I have all these apps on here. All you have to do is click the three dots, and once you click the three dots, you come to where all the apps are. Once you swipe to the right, you have all the other apps here, and this is the app library. You can go ahead and search for whatever app that you want. So I definitely will use that feature. So now let's go to the main thing, the main reason why we are all here. I want you guys to download two apps, which is the widgetsmith and color widgets. You need those. So I'll do is go to the app store, type in widgetsmith. I already have it, so I will not download it. And also you need the color widget. So you can see after the widgetsmith, you have the color widgets. Those are the two apps that you need for this. I was going for more like a pink aesthetic background. You can go to Pinterest for any background of your choice. I love pink and purple and pastels, so I decided to make my screen that way. And I wanted my face to be on my background. I didn't want to use just any other background. So I had to edit my background so that I can get that pink effect that I'm going for, and I use the app Snow. So this is the picture I used for my wallpaper. All I did was go to Snow, go to Effects, and use this particular filter. I'll save it, and I used that particular picture I just saved as my wallpaper, and it gave me that pink effect. I have my widgetsmith and my color widgets up here. So for the color widgets, it's not hard at all. I'll just search for color widgets here in my search bar, and once you come to color widgets, you have so many active widgets that you can use. We have the popular, Stardust, Pro. I think Pro you have to pay I think $5.99 a month to be able to use that. Amazing thing about color widgets is that you can customize it how you want. For example, I saved this picture from Pinterest. I go to color widgets, then I choose any of the widgets. So this is the particular widget I used, and then I use this photo, choose, and there you have it. I use the medium widget. Edit widget. Okay, so I think I have to do this again. Choose widget, then yes. Once you choose a widget, then you set widget. So now I have that on the screen. Guys, you can customize your screen anyhow you want your screen to look like. Also, you can see that I have me and hubby's picture and also my pictures. For this particular one, I use widgetsmith. To be able to get this same filter on the picture, of course, the picture didn't look like this. I used Snow again. So I went to Snow, and then I picked the picture, and I used that same effect. I went to widgetsmith. You can either set small, medium, or large is your preference. Since I already have some widgets here, all I do is add small widgets, click on default widget, then I scroll down, click on photo. You can actually use an album, but I am using a photo, so I click on photo. You can either use photos in album, photo day. I selected the photo I want, so you go to your gallery, then you select that photo that you want, and then you save it. How did I let it appear on the screen? Long press the screen. You see the plus sign up there, click that plus sign, scroll all the way to widgetsmith. You add that small because that's the small I used. So you can see now I have two of those up there. So that's how I customized it. Let me move this one here. So that's how come I got one of the pictures up there. So now I'll delete one. Let me remove. Okay, there we go. So there you have it. So now you have that on the screen. You can either put it on the top of the color widget, at the bottom, on the side, wherever you want to put it. That's absolutely up to you. So again, if you want to add another widget, it's the same way. For the color widget, I already showed you how, so the rest is up to you. People actually customize their app icons. I didn't want to do that. Definitely that would be very time consuming, but I just wanted to keep it like this, keep it simple, keep it clean, and that's the look I was going for. So I have that pink nice effect on it. Did I miss anything? Also, I will say that if you're looking for some really nice backgrounds, I really recommend Pinterest. So that's basically how I got everything here. I have all the folders I need here. I have my YouTube folder, my social networking folder, and I have my mail, my feed preview, my photos, my photo and video, finance, notes. If you need another widget on your screen, all you have to do is the same thing. You go to widgetsmith, you either choose small, medium, or large, and then you go for it. That's basically it. Okay guys, so this is where I think I'm going to end this video. The process is very repetitive. That's why I didn't want to keep going over and over and over again. But if you have any other questions, definitely ask me in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye. At your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.